Hey, I'm Ryan from SWSNA.org, your source for excellence, expertise, and exchange of all things shockwave therapy. We've just received the new EDX2 ED Shockwave device today, and I can't wait to unbox it with you. But first, if you love shockwave tech and you're a medtech geek like me, then you should subscribe, or just leave us your comments or questions down in the box. So, the EDX2 box was delivered today during a blizzard. Nothing was damaged except maybe his ego. Enough BS, let's talk ESWT and unbox this bad boy. EDX2 is the ultimate male impotence hack of 2020 to safely deliver clinical results directly to your doorstep during COVID-19. It's still on pre-sale, so get it before the year's end. Here we have an aluminum padded case, custom branding, and it's so lightweight. I love the design. Sleek curve over the digital display, anti-slip guards on the bottom, responsive to common complaints I've been hearing about. And I'd say it's about the size of a small textbook. Spare fuses, although in the last 4 years I've been working with this tech, I've never had a fuse go out. Standard US cord. Here it is. Like the Oceanus and the Stores device, it has a control panel built right into the handpiece. Solid black aluminum, maybe about a pound. Cord placement makes for a perfect thumb catch. These. Various applicator tips for different treatments. Now, I thought EDX would roll out only 1 or 2 of these, but they include the complete set. And keys to lock the aluminum travel case. That's the unboxing. How about we fire this bad boy up? Settings can also be modified directly on the back of your handpiece itself. It has a power on one side with a plus and a minus, and your frequency on the other side with plus and minus. When you're ready to start therapy, press the on button. A new discovery is developed where I found a secret compartment. This is where you can find your instruction manual